I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to download your account statements from Vodafone, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the s.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to account section. Once logged in, find the account or my account section on the homepage. This is usually located in the main menu. Step 3. Access billing information. In the account section, look for billing or statements. Click on this option to view your billing history. Step 4. Select the statement period. Choose the specific period for which you want to download the statement. You may need to use a drop-down menu to select the month and year. Step 5. Download the statement. After selecting the period, look for a download button. Click it to save the statement to your device. Make sure to check your downloads folder if you can't find it right away. I hope this helps you easily access your Vodafone account statements. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.